Hello! I'm making a new and improved recipe for meringue cookies. Start by separating 4 large eggs. You can do this by moving the egg yolk between the shells. Then add a pinch of salt and a half teaspoon of lemon juice. Blend on high until the egg whites are foamy, and then start to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. The best way is to do about a spoonful at a time. Once the sugar is added, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla for the flavoring. Continue to mix until it's at stiff peaks. Then I'm going to add it to a piping bag to help form the meringue shape. Twist the piping bag and start piping. I tend to do little cookies so they can be bite-sized. This recipe makes a total of about 60 small cookies. Bake at 220 Fahrenheit or 105 Celsius for 1 hour, and then turn the oven off and leave it in the oven for another hour. These meringue cookies instantly melt in your mouth, which adds to the greatness of the bite-sized shape.